10 brutal viral prompts, no limits. I'm pushing Seedance 2.0 until it breaks. From transforming buses to bullet time freezes and legendary Catfu. Don't blink, you are going to want to see this. First one is a complicated text to video multi-shot prompt. You can see it here, pause if you want, but I will leave a link to all of the prompts in the description. So choosing a model Seedance 2.0, not the fast one because this one has more quality. It will be 15 seconds and 16:9 format. So let's create. And this is the result.
What happened?
This is something else. Look at the transition here from when pressing the pause. Extremely great. Now just to give you a perspective, this is result with VO 3.1.
What?
Now VO always makes me laugh with these complicated prompts. Look at this. Great. Now one more text to video prompt of a transformer and then we'll go into image to video and Omni-Reference. Generate. And here is our bus driver. This is funny, great, and everything in every single way. Now I will choose Omni-Reference and upload some images and use some videos also. As you can see, you can upload images, videos, and everything you need. So upload. Now I will use this interesting creature as an image reference. Here it is. And then I'll use some of the videos for the camera and for the movement that are available here. So I'll use this guy. Let's see what is he doing. Nice. So the prompt is very simple. Image 1, so this one here, doing the same as video 1, so this one here. Let's create. Here's our creature looking scary, but very, very nice and very good consistency from this exact image. He has a sword from the video. Very good. Let's see. I'm very satisfied with it. Look at the characteristics of the face and the same sword. I mean, top-notch quality. For all these video generations, I'm using LumaFlow AI because it has Seedance 2.0 globally available and also all other video and image models on one place. And if you want to try it for yourself, the link is in the description down below. Now I will use image to video. For the first frame, I will be using this image, which is not really of a good quality. You see, it's not very sharp at all, but we'll try. So here is the prompt, a cinematic and chaotic tracking shot with handheld camera motion and camera shakes, and all of those, as mentioned, available in the link. Here's the video. Starting frame looking exactly even better than in the image. Let's see what actually happened. Yeah. Now once again Omni-Reference, and I will use anime style this time. So I'll use this lady here as one of the image references or ingredients, and then I will be also using this one as a second. And then as a video reference we'll use this one here. So those images, those two anime will repeat what she is doing currently, hopefully. So here they are, image 1, image 2, video 1. Create a 2 model frame video where at image 1 and image 2 dance and move completely the same as in video 1. And here are the ladies doing the moves. So now I wanted to do the same but with realistic person. So woman in her 30s doing the same moves as reference in video 1, and also woman is dressed in image 1, so this one here, and at the end she does a split, and this is our result. So notice at the beginning the same moves, the same, And now at the end she did a split as I written down. Here we are testing the emotion in the multi-shot mode and create. Remember, this is text to video. Now who do we have here? Is this Tom Hanks? But look at the camera moves and the emotion. This is someone that looks like Julia Roberts, but it's not. And the final hand movement, all of the fingers and everything is there, and the emotion is fantastic. Seedance nailed this video, with appearance of Tom Hanks, but that's okay. Now very complicated war battle prompt with almost 3000 characters, and you can insert the up to 5000 characters here as a prompt, which is great. Here is the battle scene. I simply love how this spaceship appears here. And in the prompt I mentioned to be without cuts. So you see, there are no cuts. Continual transition and move of the camera. Now this interesting prompt that I used also in this very popular video of mine. And let's look at couple of those, because you never know, will you get the scary thing, the funny thing, or something else. It's extremely interesting prompt. Brushing the teeth. Scary and funny at the same time, especially when she is leaving. Look at the eyebrows. Then this result. Nice, good. Wow, those glitches are amazing. And this one. Going good. Freezing a moment. She starts doing the eyebrows. Thousand generations, 1000 different surprising results you'll get with this one. Now I simply love those transformation shots, so let's try this one. So we have a great view of the plane landing. Global Airlines. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at how the plane is transforming into a transformer. Brutal. And we need to try the first frame and last frame. So we have this cute parrot and we have her doing a haircut with the prompt hairdresser and giving a haircut to the parrot. He's using scissors that spray for the hair. You know, the standard stuff. Now this already looks great. Look at the haircut. Yeah. Well, the character consistency is great on this one, even though she has a haircut like Donald Trump, for example. But that's great. And as a bonus, here are the viral Catfu, cat kung fu fighting videos, text to video. First we have two cats fighting, the younger cat and the older guru cat. Oh yeah, and the guru cat even has a great scar. Nice touch. Now similar but with cat and the human fighting, and here you sometimes need to be careful with the prompt, because new Seedance 2.0 sometimes you could violate the content policies if there is too much fight or blood or whatever. I like how the cat just smells him and then leaves without emotion. Now of course I wanted to try the same with VO 3.1. Oh yeah. That's once again funny. Here is Grok in that same setup. Okay. Oh, very chubby. Better than Vio, but not as good as Seedance at all. And here is Sora 2. What kind of sound was that? Okay. That's not a kung fu fight, that's a slow motion doing something. I don't know what. Okay. And here is Kling 3.0. Nice. It's weird. Kling is also good, but not as good as Seedance. So of course, Vio is here the worst. Then we have Sora and Grok doing okay, Kling doing much better, and then once again, Seedance is the best here for sure. And so did it break? Well, not even close. From Catfu to bullet time, Seedance 2.0 just proved its heavyweight in AI video. And which one was your favorite? Let me know below in the comments.